Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can install and configure MinGW compiler for your Windows 11 machine. So first what you need to do, you need to just download this MinGW from your browser. So I'm going to search this MinGW, and this has just given the very first link, that is source forge link. So I need to just click over here. So once you will click, so this will show you the page where you can download this MinGW for your Windows machine. So now I'm going to click on the download. So this will take like up to 5 seconds, as this completely depends on your internet connectivity. So now this is going to be starts very shortly over here. So once this will be downloaded, so this will ask the location where you just want to download. So I just selected this inside the download location. Now I'm going to click on this exe which has just downloaded. At the same time I am also minimizing this browser now, and we'll click on the install, and this will create a new folder inside the C drive. You can change the path as per your requirement. Now click on the continue. So this requires the internet connectivity, so this will download some files for your MinGW. So you can see this now. This is just downloading files, and it's a 45-60% has completed. We need to wait for a while. Once this will be downloaded, then we can proceed for further installation. Now this has been just completed. Need to click on the continue. Once you have just completed the continue, now you need to select the packages which you just want to select. So as of now I am going to select all of them, mark for installation, and similarly I need to select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now what you need to do, click on the installation over here, mark apply changes, and then OK to proceed. So I am clicking on the apply. Now again this required the internet connectivity for these packages. We need to wait for a while. It depends on the packages which you have selected over here. Now it's just extracting the packages which has been downloaded over here. So need to wait for a while again. So once this has been just extracted and extracted the files, so you need to just close this dialog box, because I already just extracted this now, and I haven't selected. But if you are just extracting, so you can just select this option. So this will close the window automatically from here, but as of now I'm just doing it manually. So I just closed this. So once you have just downloaded these packages and installed and extracted the packages, so now it's showing green. So next what you need to do, just close this window and go inside this C drive where you just extracted this file MinGW. Now select this path and copy this and go inside the environment variable. So I'm going to select this environment variable. Now edit the system environment variable and click on the environment variables over here, and you need to go inside the system variables, select the path and click on edit, and here you need to just click on the new and put this path which you just copied from the MinGW over here, and click OK. Once you will done this, now you need to just open the command prompt from here. I am showing you this is the command prompt. Now you need to just put the command. So here you need to put the command G++ over here. Now G++ and version. Now you can see this MinGW has been just installed successfully. That's why you are just able to see this G++ and MinGW org, and the version is mentioned over here. Now what you need to do, you can execute or you can compile any C or C++ based program over here. So I'm just going to show you. First, what I will do, I will open a notepad. Inside the notepad, I already created this hello.c, and I'm using hash include studio.h and int main, and after that printf hello world and return 0, because I'm using integer over here. That's why I just given this 0 over here. Now what I'm going to do, this file is just saved somewhere inside this document. You can just change the location as per your requirement, and this is the file. Now what I will do, I will just go on the command prompt and I will go on the my document, and then I will execute the file hello.c. So what I will do, I will go on the documents location. So we'll do the cd command and document, and I will use the command g++ and file name hello.c. Now this file has been just executed successfully. I mean, this has been compiled. Now we'll go on this location. Now this a.exe has been created. What I will do, I will just use this a.exe. This is the file which has been just generated after compiling this hello.c. Now we'll execute. Now you can see this hello world is printed. So this is the method which you need to just follow for installing MinGW for your Windows 11 machine, and even you can just set the environment variable path for this location, and accordingly you can just compile any C or C++ based file or for your Windows 11 machine, and then you can just test the what I did inside my command prompt. I executed this, and this has just given or printed hello world on my machine. Thank you for watching this video.